In this video, we are going to discuss about domain-specific tools. In the previous video, we talked about office tools. Now, those office tools, each one, if we take an example, for example, word processor or a presentation tool, they were doing many tasks together. However, not every software does that. Software may be of two types, generic or specific. A generic software will perform multiple tasks in different scenarios without being modified. As it is, you can use it for multiple purposes. However, a specific software is a software for a particular domain, particular application, and such software or such tools are called domain specific tools. We will look at some of the popular examples of domain specific tools that you might also have come across. First and the foremost, school management system. In a school, examination, attendance, admission, timetable, there are so many things that need to be taken care of, and a school management software will exactly do that, but it will not do anything else. Similarly, an inventory management system. What does an inventory management system do? It will take care of the stocks, the purchases, the deliveries. It will ensure that the inventory of any organization will never go down. So, that is what an inventory management software or tool would do. Similarly, a payroll software. It will calculate the payment of any employee where this software has been installed, taking into account basic salary, DA, their perks, loans that they have taken, leaves that they have taken. They will take into consideration many facts, but they will only calculate the payroll of the employees. Financial accounting. What does a financial accounting software do? It will keep an electronic record of all financial transactions of the organizations, to whom they have to make a payment, from whom they have to collect a payment, who are the people who owe them money. This is what that will be done by a financial accounting software. Restaurant management. When you go in a restaurant, you place order, your order comes, you make payment. All these processes have to be recorded by the software, and that software is the restaurant management software. Railway reservation system. If you have traveled by Indian Railways or any other railway system, you go to the ticket booking counter, you get a ticket done, and later, say after 2 days or 3 days, you realize that no, you don't want this ticket because you have some other program. You go and then just cancel that ticket. So, all this has to be taken care of by the software, which is the railway reservation system software. It is again a domain specific software that takes care only of railway reservations. Last but not the least, weather forecasting system. It is a very important system which is a real life system. Why a real life system? Because it has to record all the real life data at any point of time, at any given place. What is the temperature, what is the humidity, rainfall, what is going to happen in the next couple of hours. This all is being taken care of by weather forecasting system. So, in this video, we have discussed and looked at some of the domain specific tools.